Yes, today we're working on this Mini Cooper. It's a Mini Cooper S. Customer said that they had a misfiring, so we will be taking care of that today and getting this vehicle checked out and fixed. All right, stick with me, and I'll be right back.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
What's up, my subscribers and YouTubers? I'm checking on this Mini Cooper right here. Yeah, the customer telling me it's running real rough and it's running real bad. So come along with me. Let's check this diagnostic on it and see what's going on. Okay, as you can see, my scanner, it's got a lot of codes. Oxygen sensor, heating before the catalytic converter, said the line disconnect. It's got EMIs plausible, misfiring 4 and 3. There go the codes. There go some of the codes. A lot of codes. Alright. EMIs plausible, EMIs too high. That's the codes I got. So, first thing what I'm gonna do, we're gonna go under the car and make sure that it ain't nothing unplugged, or we don't have any air going inside of certain things. All right, so let's go. If you look up here, right up here, you see it? Right here. I'm gonna put my finger. See that? That shouldn't be like that. This is off of this. So air is getting into this little pocket. And that could bring those codes you just saw. Huh. We might have found the problem that fucking quick. I'm at the bottom of the car of the Mini Cooper, and right here, I could push my hand right into this boot. You're not supposed to be able to do it. So let me go up top and I will fix that boot and put it back where it needs to be. And then I will come back and let you know if that took care of the misfiring problem. Okay? Yeah, what we're going to do, we're going to take this clamp off right here. We're going to take this clamp off so we can get this breather off. Look at that. I pulled the whole thing up. It ain't even connected. See this? That needs to go on top of that with the boot. See this? See this broke right here? Somebody been down there and, we don't know what happened to it, but I'm going to try to put it back, put a clamp back on it like this one, and try to put it back and see if that stops the engine from misfiring. Okay, now I'm on top of the car, and if you look real good, I'm just about to show you what I'm doing. This right here is what I'm about to take off and put on the other side. So I'm about to break that nut. That's a 7mm, and pull this whole thing off, then put it on to the part that I took out a while ago. So I'm gonna show you in a minute. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out, and I'm gonna show you what I'm doing. Okay, now it's loose. So let me see if you can see what I'm doing. I'm about to pull it out. There you go. This is it right here. It goes in this way. All right. You see it? It goes in that way. This way. So I'm about to put that piece on here, and I'm gonna show you what I'm doing. Okay, now we're gonna put that on a piece. Like I tell you, it goes on like this on the engine, but this piece needs to be over here. Okay, as you can see, we put the piece back on here. You got to open the clamp a little bit. But what I'm going to do, it goes in like this. This clamp was on the other side. I'm going to put it on this side because I want it to be easier when I take it off. But it's loose right now. So we're about to put this back in the car. All right? Now, if you look down there, you see that? I put it on the piece at the bottom, but now I got to tighten that bolt. You see that bolt? I'm right there. I'm going to tighten that bolt. Get a long extension with a 7mm, and it's going to come up, and you're going to tighten it. Also, this top bolt, we're going to tighten it also. Then we're going to crank the car and see if all those problems are gone. Now we're back at the bottom. As you can see, I have that on. See that? It's all the way on it now. So we're gonna go up to the top and check and see what's going on. Now we just cranked the vehicle. Seems like it's running a whole lot better. Let me hook up the scanner. Let me hook up the scanner and see what kind of codes come out. All right, we're doing the Mini Cooper. We're doing Mini.
Countryman.
It's gonna automatically pick it up on its own. So we're scanning the car again to see what code is in it. It's running a lot better. A lot better. The misfiring is gone, but I still got a check engine light up here. I'm gonna see what that's about. You know, one problem could be fixed, but it could have another issue. Or I need to clear that code. So just let's see what's going on now. We're gonna do automatic scan. Let it scan the whole vehicle. See what codes come up. Okay, this is all the codes that's come up. This is where we had the codes, right here. I want to see what's still there. Okay, you see that? It's all say history. So you see that history right now? That means that breeder that had a misfire in the combustion and all that, look at that. History, 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 all the way down. I'm going to let you see it real good. It got two codes that's current. Oxygen sensor heating before the catalytic converter activation and line disconnection. I'm going to check that out. And then it have another one at the bottom, auxiliary cooling pump, electric short circuit to ground. That's the only two codes I got on the engine system right now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna clear these codes and then see what comes back. But the misfiring issue has been solved. So when you get those codes, you need to go check to make sure you don't have air leaks, your spark plugs, your coils. But I know the spark plug on coils, I already checked them. That was good. I gap them good. All that was good. So I know it wasn't the spark plugs or the coil. We're going to go ahead and delete these trouble codes. All right? And we're going to go back and try to read the codes. The only code come up is that one. Oxygen sensor heating before the catalytic converter. So the O2 sensor might be bad. I would be having another video with that, but what I came here to fix was the misfiring and the car running good, so you could listen and hear it. It still got a little bit of miss, but not really a miss. The spark plug might be burning off because, you know, you had issues before, so you got to get the spark plugs and everything to get back right. But this is the only code that I'm seeing on that computer right now. So this is another one. This is a 2015 Mini Cooper Countryman. All right, catch you in the next one. What you need to do though, hit that subscribe button. Tell a friend. Like, comment, and share. All right, DIY Diagnostics and Repair. Big up to the Virgin Islands, St. Croix, St. Thomas, St. John, St. Croix. Already. Keep a guard to that.